So students, today we'll discuss how to do instrument reef knot. Like initially, like any bite using the needle holder, perpendicular to take the needle bite to the entry point, perpendicular to the tissue, then come to the exit point on the opposite side, then put the knot. First knot always, first row, half put the loop, one loop, then square it. The second one you have to take from behind, third one from the front, through the instrument, front, square it, second from the back, front from the, third from the front. First from the front, square, second from the back, third from the front. That is how exactly we'll do the reef knot. So we'll demonstrate how to do reef knot. So students, now I will demonstrate how to do instrument reef knot. So I'm taking the bites perpendicular here, end point, end entry point, exit point. See that? All of you know configuration, shaping and securing, knotting part, configuration, shaping and securing. So this is tail end, this is leading end, this is the bait end. So I am doing it single loop like this, put in the loop. See that? Second part I am taking from the behind, not from front. That becomes a reef. Third one I am from front. So this is the reef knot. I'll repeat. Suppose I'm not taking the bite now, just showing. First knot is from front like this. Second is from behind like this. Third is from front. So that is a reef knot. Front, behind, front. So students, I hope you have understood how to do instrument reef knot.